Hey y'all, what's up? Six Bosses back with another video. I just want to make a quick video real fast and show y'all all of this food that I just got for free. And let me show you. Okay, so look, they gave me all of these little, what's these things? The goldfish things, the goldfish baked snacks, some cheesy crackers. I got a whole box of them. They gave me a whole box of them, right? Then they gave me, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got another bag. No, that's all of those. So I got 5 bags of curly fries. And then I got some lettuce. How many lettuces I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 lettuce. I got 6 packages of strawberries. These is all fresh strawberries. All this lettuce is fresh. Then I got some Brussels sprouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of Brussels sprouts. Got all these Brussels sprouts. Then I got all these bags of chicken patties. Got 4 bags of chicken patties. I think I got another bag. I actually got 6 bags of chicken patties. I got 6 bags of chicken patties. Got all these juices. Orange pineapple, they still froze. Some orange pineapple juices. Orange pineapple juices. Then I got some oranges. Look, I got a whole case of oranges. Sunkist oranges. This whole box is full of oranges. The whole box is full. All these oranges. We got some more. I got a box of tomatoes. I got a box of apples. And then I got all these bananas. Look at all them bananas. You see all this food that I got for free? I got all of this food for a little bit of nothing. So now y'all see how I be getting my free food every Wednesday. And I ain't got no shame in the game. Because we eating good and healthy around here. I don't know about these chicken patties. Because I don't know about those. But listen. Gotta do what you gotta do. Got 6 kids to feed. Mwah. 6 bosses back. You feel me? Finna eat. Finna put this food up and I'm finna eat. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.